Hey, today we're gonna be doing the rear brakes on my X3. The job is not that difficult. There are some special moments about it, like the electric parking brake. Let's get started. Lift up the car and remove the rear wheels. Unplug the pad sensor. Looks like my sensor was already triggered. I had a cluster light. Remove the sensor. Let's measure the disc thickness. Minimum thickness of the rear disc should be nominal minus 2.4 mm for non-M cars and minus 1.6 mm for M cars. You can replace pads without replacing the discs when the discs are thicker than mean TH figure. The pads still have some meat on them. When this gap is gone, they should be replaced. Remove the caliper. You need to counterhole the bolt. Remove brake pad. Remove the carrier. Clean the center bearing to get rid of the rust and use a plastic hammer to break loose the disc. Now clean the surfaces, they should be without any rust. I've decided also to clean the nut area. I was planning to buy original discs, but they were not available for some reason. I've bought Techstar, same brand as the original brake pads I have. Install new disc together with a new bolt. By the way, the guides were greased from the factory. Now clean the support bracket and grease it with the brake paste. I've decided also to tap the bolt thread. There was some debris. I've checked the disc flatness. It was 0.04 mm, which is quite good. The original front discs were 0.02 mm. Max allowed is 0.08 mm. The rear original pad value kit comes with the bolts, guides and the pad sensor. Now install guides, grease them and install the carrier bracket. Install brake pads. Clean the caliper elements. Now we need to push in the piston. This car has an electric parking brake. You can do it with a scan tool or without it, mechanically. The mechanical method, undo these two bolts and remove the motor. On the exposed caliper part, you will see a sprocket gear. Just stick in the Torx bit size 45 and turn it maximum clockwise. And then use the standard piston pressing tool to press in the piston. But I will do it more easily with a scan tool. Set the parking brake into the service mode and follow the instructions. The system will ask you to play with the parking brake. Then use your pressing tool to press in the piston. Grease the caliper with the brake paste and install it. Install new bolts. Now deactivate the service mode using a scan tool. Install new wear sensor. Put back the wheels and later torque them down. I will reset my rear brake CBS using the scan tool. That's it, and thanks for watching.